Are you tired of people telling you to just get on camera or start networking to make money online? What if I told you that some of the most profitable side hustles require zero FaceTime, zero talking, and zero social interaction? Today, I'm sharing 7 legitimate side hustles that are perfect for introverts. And some of my viewers are already making over $3,000 per month with these methods. Stick around because number 6 literally changed my life. If you're someone who recharges in solitude, prefers written communication, and gets anxious at the thought of being always on. For an audience, this video is specifically for you. Each side hustle I'll share requires minimal to zero human interaction, can be done from your bedroom, and most importantly, they actually pay well. I've personally tested or researched every single one of these, and I'll give you the honest pros and cons, realistic income expectations, and exactly how to get started. Let's dive in. Side hustle number 1. Print-on-demand design. First up is print-on-demand, but not the oversaturated t-shirt market everyone talks about. I'm talking about niche designs for specific communities. Here's how it works. You create simple designs using free tools like Canva or GIMP, upload them to platforms like Etsy, Amazon Merch, or Redbubble, and they handle everything else. Printing, shipping, customer service. The key is finding underserved niches. Instead of, I love coffee, try veterinary technician fuel or Bernie's mountain dog mom life. You're not competing with everyone. You're serving a specific group that's desperate for products that represent them. Income potential, $200 to $2,000 per month after 6 months of consistent uploading. Pros, completely passive once designs are uploaded. Zero customer interaction. Work whenever you want. Cons, takes time to gain traction. You need to understand design basics. Side hustle number 2. Transcription services. If you're a fast typer who pays attention to detail, transcription might be perfect for you. Companies like Rev, Transcribe Me, and Go Transcript pay you to convert audio files into written text. The beauty of this work is that it's purely task-based. You log in, choose an audio file, type what you hear, submit it, and get paid. No meetings, no phone calls, no small talk. Most platforms pay between $15 to $25 per audio hour, and experienced transcribers can complete an hour of audio in 2 to 3 hours of work. The medical and legal transcription fields pay significantly more if you're willing to get specialized training. Income potential, $300 to $1,500 per month working part-time. Pros, flexible schedule, immediate income improves typing skills. Cons, can be repetitive, requires good hearing and concentration. Side hustle number 3. Etsy digital products. Digital products on Etsy are an introvert's dream because you create them once and sell them forever. Think printable planners, resume templates, social media templates, or budget trackers. The magic happens when you solve specific problems for specific people. A wedding planning checklist for DIY brides, a meal prep planner for busy parents, or a habit tracker for students. You can create these using free tools like Canva, and customers download them instantly after purchase. No shipping, no inventory, no customer service headaches. Research what's already selling by looking at your competition. Then create something similar but better. Add your own style, improve the layout, or target a more specific audience. Income potential, $100 to $5,000 plus per month, depending on your catalog size and marketing. Pros, truly passive income, low startup costs, unlimited scalability. Cons, requires upfront time investment, competitive marketplace. Side hustle number 4. Data entry and virtual assistants. Before you roll your eyes at data entry, hear me out. The virtual assistants world has evolved far beyond basic typing. Many businesses need help with research, organizing digital files, managing databases, or updating product listings. Platforms like Belaytime, etc., and Fancy Hands connect you with clients who need behind-the-scenes support. The best part? Most communication happens through email or project management tools like Asana or Trello. You can specialize in areas like Pinterest management, where you help businesses create and schedule pins, or lead research, where you find contact information for potential clients. Income potential, $400 to $2,500 per month, working 10 to 20 hours per week. Pros, steady income, variety in tasks, builds valuable business skills. Cons may require some client communication. Deadlines can create pressure. Side hustle number 5. Content writing and blogging. If you prefer expressing yourself through writing rather than speaking, content creation might be your goldmine. But I'm not talking about starting your own blog. I'm talking about writing for other people's businesses. Businesses desperately need blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, and social media captions. Platforms like Contently Clear Voice and Scripted connect writers with clients. You can also find work directly on job boards like ProBlogger or by reaching out to small businesses in industries you understand. The key is to start with topics you're genuinely interested in or have experience with. Income potential: $500 to $4,000 plus per month, depending on your rates and client load. Pros: improves your writing skills, flexible topics, potential for long-term client relationships. Cons: requires strong writing abilities, can be feast or famine initially. Side hustle number 6. Online tutoring, text-based. Online tutoring has exploded, but you don't need to be on camera. Many platforms offer text-based or chat-based tutoring where you help students through written explanations. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, and Wizened offer chat-based sessions, while others, like Fatimath or Course Hero, pay you to answer homework questions through written solutions. If you excel in math, science, languages, or even specific software like Excel, you can help students worldwide without ever showing your face or speaking a word. Income potential: $300 to $2,000 plus per month working evenings and weekends. Pros: rewarding work, flexible schedule, high hourly rates in specialized subjects. Cons: requires expertise in specific subjects. Peak hours are evenings and weekends. Side hustle number 7. Faceless YouTube automation. This might seem counterintuitive for a YouTube video, but faceless YouTube channels are thriving. Think top 10 lists, educational content with screen recordings, or compilation videos. You can create content using screen recordings, stock footage, simple animations, or even just text on screen with background music. Tools like OBS for screen recording and DaVinci Resolve for editing are completely free. Popular niches include tech tutorials, productivity tips, historical facts, or oddly satisfying content. The key is consistency in finding topics that people actually search for. Income potential: $200 to $10,000 plus per month once monetized. Typically, after 1,000 subscribers, Pro's unlimited earning potential builds digital marketing skills. Truly passive once systems are in place. Cons: takes time to build an audience. Algorithm changes can affect income, right? Here's your action plan. Pick one side hustle that excites you most. Don't try to do all 7. That's a recipe for burnout and zero results. Spend this week researching your chosen method. Join relevant Facebook groups, watch tutorial videos, and understand what success looks like in that space. Week 2, create your first piece of work. Whether it's your first design, transcription sample, or blog post, just start. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Week 3, apply to platforms or start marketing your services. The sooner you get feedback from real customers, the sooner you can improve and earn. These 7 side hustles prove that you don't need to be extroverted, charismatic, or comfortable on camera to build substantial income streams. Your introversion isn't a limitation. It's actually your superpower in the digital economy. Pick the one that resonates most with your skills and interests, and start this week. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and every successful person started exactly where you are right now. If this video helped you, subscribe for more introvert-friendly business ideas, and let me know in the comments which side hustle you're going to try first. I read every comment and love hearing about your success stories. Thanks for watching, and remember, your quiet strength is exactly what the world needs.